Troubleshooter MC, trucks and chains, spots 3, 4, and 5.
Welcome, space explorers. Today we're embarking on an incredible journey to explore the wonders of outer space. Our solar system is home to many amazing planets, like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Did you know that Earth is the only planet we know of that has life? It's a special place filled with oceans, forests, and creatures big and small. But humans are curious explorers. We've sent brave astronauts like Sally Ride and Neil Armstrong to explore space and walk on the moon. And we're not stopping there. We're sending missions to other planets, like Mars, to learn more about our universe and whether life exists beyond Earth. Living in space is no easy task. Astronauts live and work on space stations like this one, where they conduct experiments and study how our bodies adapt to life without gravity. With exciting new technologies, like faster rockets and powerful telescopes, who knows what we'll discover next? So, young explorers, keep looking up at the stars and dreaming big. The universe is waiting for you to explore its mysteries. Until next time, happy exploring.